How to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase your iPhone's touch sensitivity to make it more responsive, especially if you're having trouble with your screen's touch reactions. First, open Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch, then select 3D and Haptic Touch. Here, you'll find the option to adjust the touch sensitivity by using the slider. Drag the slider towards fast, or you can just simply tap on fast to make the touch sensitivity quicker, or leave it at normal or default if you prefer standard responsiveness. If you're looking for more precise touch control, you can also enable haptic touch, which provides feedback when you press the screen. This can help with understanding when your touch is being registered. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be more sensitive and responsive to your touch. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!